room 7506 at the Grand Floridian. There's some strange man coming down the hallway. Oh, hello. Hello there. Where are you at?
I will close the door.
Wow.
Yeah, Daddy's first impression walking in here.
Goodness.
Okay, it's the biggest room. Okay, let's start. Oh my, look at this bathroom. Wow, let's see.
Oh my.
Look at all of the Mary Poppins things. And then over we got a sliding door. There's a nice shower. Where's the light for this? There you go. There you go. This is newly updated. Okay. All right, let's go see the rest of it. We have some closets. Open up the closet. Show me what we got going on here. Oh, that is fancy schmancy.
Come here.
Okay, hold on. Got a safe.
A safe.
Steamer.
Steamer.
All right, and then we have, Sadie, come show me what you noticed here a while ago. What did you notice here?
There's coffee.
Coffee. What did you notice on the wall? We've got a nice Keurig.
Oh yeah, there's Mary Poppins.
There's Mary Poppins things. And then what do we have here? Let me pull the drawer. Oh, we've got some K-cups, some coffee cups.
Let's see what we have.
What do we have in here? Oh, a little fridge. I'll have my milk there later.
Do we look in the
Yep, Tillman just showed us the closet.
Come with me.
Okay.
I have
And then
something to
you have something. Here's your hair dryer. And then, okay, let's see. Let's show us the fancy beds.
This is
All new, brand new.
mine.
Nice high ceilings with the chandelier. There's the bird. Where's the penguin? There's the penguin.
There's the penguin right
There's the penguin.
here.
All the birds for Mary Poppins. Okay, I'm coming.
Follow me.
And then
Look at this.
This is there's some themes on here.
there's some themes on there. Okay. What do you see on there?
There's like a flower.
And then
Hey, look,
our
you
view. Yeah, I'm gonna come over there. I'm coming to check it out.
You can see kind of.
There's
I see.
there's Space Mountain. Contemporary. Yeah, I told you, I was like, I know we don't have a balcony, but like a whole extra room here. An extra TV, I think is nice.
TVs.
Two TVs. No more. I love this chair
We got a nice
personally.
Help
Look
me
at this
see.
couch.
Yep. She wants to see Daddy. An extra thing.
Here, go ahead.
And then beside each bed, you've got USB ports and a little shelf for your bedding.
Look, Mom's in Audrey.
I don't know what this is.
That's there.
I'm trying to see what this is.
That's there. Wait, that's
It's in here.
Oh, the lights are in there.
Oh, and
Okay.
it has a fan.
It has a fan. Okay, so okay, Tillman.
Daddy
There's the
told
fan.
me to take off.
Okay, that's fine.
And
And then lots of space.
then right there.
And then here's a nice little seating area. Little drawers.
a TV.
Lots of storage space. More storage space over here. Let's check out the lamps.
Open it.
And there's the her umbrella. You can open the windows.
So we can, when
You can hear it.
the
Yeah.
water pageant comes out,
All
we'll
right.
open it up.
Well, Sadie, what do you think, girl?
I like it.
You like it, huh? I said, I know we don't have a balcony, Daddy, but this is pretty nice.
Pretty good.
This is pretty good up right here.
Do you know why I'm standing up?
Why are you standing?
Cause you wouldn't be able to see me on the cake.
Oh, okay. All right.
Open up.
A nice, fabulous stay
Oh,
at
there's
Grand Floridian again. We're gonna look one more time, go through here. There we go. All right, who's gonna sign us off?
No, I am.
Okay, do it together. Ready?
We're the
We're the I'm Tillman Bradshaw, and I'm excited for next time.
I'm never gonna do it.
Well, you do it now.
I don't want to.
Okay. All right. Bye. Womp womp.
Bye.